Hey guys, welcome back. Individually Timbers here. I'm individually and I'm bored, so let's do my hair. Second out. Alright, come on. This video isn't gonna be that long. I already prepped my hair. This is her, this is she. She's in pin curls because that's just what I want to do. So first I'm gonna take some alcohol. This is 70%. It's scarce out there. Usually we get like a 90%. And I have a cotton ball here. But look, it's hard. Hard out here for trying to get the money for you know it, ring it. So no. Alright. Then I have this brown whip we kept. I got an Amazon. I have some cotton buddies on it, but that's okay. I'm gonna got this late today. I think my got to be, I hope it works because sometimes oh, we lit. But if you know, you know, got to be, it be like the nozzle will close. That's no. I'm just going to spray that stuff. So I'm gonna do a little bit more in front. So wait until that dries a bit. Do I need to get a different pair of scissors? Really on the plug. Yeah, for this part I roll it up a bit because usually it drips down. And I don't need it to be that low. And remember I said like this part of my hair is going to be out. I refuse to get wigs to cover my what's this called? To cover this part anymore because I feel like, yeah, mine definitely do go down low. My sideburns go down low. But that's okay. And I like my edges to be very thick. And I notice after I wear my wigs, even though I take them off very nicely, the friction just causes some hairs to come out. And I don't like that. Like, I need my hair to be alright. Yep, just checking everything. The part looks alright. We can fix that with some scissors. I have to take some of this back on both sides. Here and here. But for the most part, pretty darn good. Brush that I use for I don't really use it that much. Usually I just do it for my wigs. I'm gonna pet some of this. I'm only gonna keep a middle part with this wig. I know that 100%. So I'm only gonna powder these parts. Only the parts. Oh wow, I'm looking pretty darn bald. Get a little bit in the front. Like I said, I wasn't gonna do this, but that's only because I'm a lazy person. And nobody is really gonna see me. Wow, that's looking a little bald. Step 2. Turn her inside out. You see that? You can see the part a little bit. I'm just gonna do this whole net. It's like magic. I love magic. A little bit more. Okay. Alright, folks. Now that looks like George Washington. Yeah, that part looks better. And y'all hear my nieces are fighting upstairs. As per usual, the house is in shambles. We are going crazy. That's all this is. Alright, another clean cotton ball. Oh! I'm gonna drop the alcohol. Party foul. All right. Squeezing more on there. And just wipe your forehead. Try not to get anything on the cap. But we just put a whole bunch of makeup on there, so make sure you wipe your forehead, see? And now, okay, these curls are so cute and bouncy. I literally cannot. I did these with my wand. Like I said, if y'all would like a tutorial, I filmed it. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited to get this on my head so I can look like Betty Boop. Betty Boop was bald. What's that other one? Animal crackers in my soup. The orphan? I do not remember that child's name. No. Alright, I'm gonna loosely pin these back. I do not want to misform these curls after they sat. They sat and they just did what it did. Okay, got to be. This is the premium, I think. Oh, platinum. That's what it's called. Ghost Gone Platinum. You find it at any beauty supply, or you can also find it on Amazon. And I am applying this. Grr, come out. There we go. Right on the line of the cap. If you are a person to put it before the cap, then I'll push my cap back a little bit. Like, you don't want your forehead to look like a centimeter long, unless you already have a small forehead, and that's what it normally looks like. Unfortunately, I have a lot of space to work with, apparently. Just any old comb or whatever you want to do. I'll probably do like 3 layers. I'm gonna make sure it completely dries clear before I add more. Does anybody else have in the house with like children? Or just me? Applying it, make sure you're not pulling it too tight or it'll create like wrinkles on your head. So I'm just pulling it forward and laying it on there because I did like 3 layers. It's already sticky. Like, that's why I like lace glue, supposed to like got to be or something. Like, you don't have to immediately put this down. I mean, like wrap it afterwards. Because this baby is on now. I forgot to spritz it down, but spritz that joint. It just adds another layer. I really look like George Washington. Well, we know that's not true, but kind of. This is just, I barely have any more. But it's an oil that I use. I'm literally using a tad bit. It's almost empty, so you see it's a struggle to get it out. But I'm using that to separate my curls. my nieces get mad at each other, they like make diss tracks. I don't even know. Like they make songs about like why they're mad at each other and stuff, and they just sing it throughout the house. I don't know. I just don't. So if you hear that, that's what's happening. Follow us on SoundCloud apparently. Alright, she's getting full. If y'all saw what this wig was like before, like it didn't look bad, but it was like a body wig. Well, not a body wig. It was a curly wig. So I blow dried it and then did this because I love this look so much on others. I was like, let me try this for myself. And this is just one of the ones that you just have to play with it, see what works. I wish I could see the definition. There we go. This definition is crazy. This joint is secured, baby. I just need to sign up fluff up like the other one. I think I was playing with it. I really do feel like George Washington, but it's all going to work out. So first, yeah, I'm gonna plug up my hot comb. Then I'll probably use the wand too to fix some of the curls that need to be fixed. To be fixing the front of these. This is bedhead like wax. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this because if you use a lot, then you will be greasy. But I like how it keeps all the flyaways together. And then a lot of body. Literally the savior. Ooh. With this flat, you know? I'm not using it to comb through my hair because I don't want to mess up my curls. Yeah, don't forget to hit the back. We're going to be cute from all angles, okay? Every angle that there is, we're going to be cute from it. Getting this to fall the way I want it to fall. Like, we're going to put some of this up here. Be careful not to burn yourself because this joint is hot. That's one side. You see the difference? This one is like falling forward a bit. It's flat, 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 flat. Then it's booyaka, booyaka. And that side is not yet. It's doing it a little bit because I curled it that way. But not the way I want. a wax stick. If you don't have a wax stick, then the got to be freeze spray will work right there, work good right there, or even a little bit of spritz. I don't use spritz on the top of my hair, especially on the wig, only because it's the smell. But if you don't care about smelling like a hair salon, then whoa, that's what I did. That is exactly what I did. Touch my forehead. Now I'm looking to see if I need to recurl anything. The way that this hair is cut, like on this side it's okay, but on this side I need to fill in like that space right there. So I'm going to take a brush, comb this curl out, and we're gonna elongate that one. A longer bundle to fill in gaps. Do a few more. This is not cute either. And I'm only gonna be doing this to the side because the other side's already long. If you want it length, then you keep the curl spread out. You get me? You get me? You get me? And I learned how to blonde curl from like competition cheer, so you know that's good. Also killed my natural hair for a little bit there, but that's fine. We went to States. Didn't win, but we were there. Alright. Now I'm just timing. Alrighty, I'm back, and this is the final look.